Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Cadillac XT4. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, remote engine start, xenon headlights, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, braking assist, parking sensors. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, front knee, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.